Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is I'm basically going to be showing you how I made this mini frontal wig, so please stay tuned. So I'm just going to be using my spandex dome cap to make the wig. So before I actually start sewing the tracks down, I do like to mark on the dome cap where I'll be sewing the tracks. It just makes things a lot more easier. So I'm literally just going to sew my closure down. As you can see, I'm pushing my needle through the net. Then I just literally wrap my thread around the needle and I just keep going across the whole closure. Once you finish sewing your closure down, this is what it should basically look like. As you can see, it's just nice and secure and it's neat, it's not messy, not bumpy, so that's what we want. Moving on, we're then going to sew down the tracks onto the dome cap. This is kind of self-explanatory. Like, as you can see, I'm just like literally pushing the needle through the dome cap, then through the tracks, and I'm just going to repeat this step just throughout the whole wig basically. So if you just keep watching, you're kind of going to get like a gist of it of how I do it. We're then going to move on into plucking the closure. We all don't like a thick closure, so I'm literally just going to get my spray bottle and spray my closure. I feel like it's easier when the closure is wet. You know, it just makes it much easier to pluck. As you can see, I'm just taking my tweezers and I'm just basically plucking away from the closure. So I'm just going to repeat this step across the closure. I'm literally just plucking, moving along, not staying on the same, spot for so long, so you don't want any bald patches. So we're just plucking, then we're moving across, plucking, and then we're moving across. So I'm literally getting my rat tail comb and just parting the closure, and then I'm just going to continue plucking until I reach about the middle of the closure, because I feel like it's quite thick and I don't really like thick closures, so I'm just going to repeat this step. voila, and there you have it, a nice plucked closure. Look how natural that looks. Look at that. That's what we want, guys, a natural hairline. Okay guys, so the wig is finally done, but now it's time for installation. So I'm just gonna get my Bio Silk. I love this serum, it smells amazing. Just gonna run it through my hair so it's nice and silky, and then we're just gonna cut the lace. Obviously you do get your scissors and you just want to cut along the hairline, obviously not too close to the hair, but you do want to cut off as much lace as possible. Can you see how that like sort of blends in with my skin? All you need is a good tint and some good makeup, guys, and this will do the trick. But if you do want me to do like a video on how I tint my lace, then please leave a comment down below and I shall fulfill your needs. I'm just going to be using my Got To Be spray. I love my wig, super secure, so I'm just going to spray that across my closure. And then I'll be using my mini brush just to like, you know, brush the closure down for like a nice sleek finish. I'm then going to use my rapid strip and literally just like wrap that across my head. This just kind of, you know, helps the closure sink in for a more natural finish. Last but not least, I'm just going over my wig with my Kerry Care wax stick. This just helps lay the wig flat, and then voila, we're basically done. Like, I'm really feeling myself, guys, but please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and you know, leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah. Bye.